The Obong of Calabar, Didemekpoko Nabatetu V, has assured the State Command of the Nigeria Security and Civil Defense Corps, NSCDC, of urgent steps in reaching out to appropriate authorities towards the rehabilitation of the office headquarters destroyed by windstorm on November 9, 2024. The monarch gave the assurance when the team of the organization led by the Deputy Commandant, Ifyomita, paid him a courtesy visit in Calabar. The report was filed in by Afyong Ififyong as taken from our studio.
Edida Mabasiotu V expressed disappointment, knowing the key role the organization has played in the safety of lives and property of the citizenry. The Obong maintained that the palace will liaise with the organization to ensure a memo is being sent to the state governor and their headquarters for prompt action to be taken in that direction. He appealed to the organization not to deter from doing all they can to make security a watchword in the performance of their duty.
All I promise you that you will step into it. That shouldn't deter you from doing all you can to make security a watchword. If you have nowhere to stay, then what is it? What's the sense of it? You must have somewhere to fall back to. Go back, it's your office, you have the right records and everything you have to do. The planning, day-to-day planning is done there. See, if you are taken out of that place and it collapses, then definitely the organization is affected. So we do all we can to make sure that something happens.
Earlier, the Deputy Commandant of the NSCDC Cross River Command, Ifyomita, said their visit was to intimate the Obong and his council of the organization's difficult working condition after the windstorm incident that blew off the roof of their office headquarters 11 months ago. The Deputy Commander noted that the command has been deliberate in the prosecution of its core mandate in protecting national assets and infrastructure, among others, despite the lack of office accommodation for personnel.
For about a year now, we have been operating under a roofless building. That notwithstanding, we have been resolute, committed to the discharge of our core mandates, including the protection of critical national assets and infrastructures. We have started noticing the dangers involved in working under this roofless edifice. We have come, sir, to appeal to you to use your good office to draw the attention of the federal and state government and other relevant agencies, including well-meaning citizens, to mitigate this impending danger or destruction that awaits indigents of Cross River State.
Meanwhile, in an interview with the new state commandant of the COP, Commandant Chima Ikorazu expressed dismay over the devastating state of the office headquarters caused by the windstorm, saying that with the visit to the Obong of Calabar, there is hope for urgent intervention by federal and state government to ameliorate the plight of the command.
Because we can't talk of effective security when we don't have office. Look at where I am. Because of the windstorm, the commandant's office was moved in just this makeshift. So I'm believing God, now that the Oba is involved, I'm believing God that we are going to get assistance from government.
The windstorm disaster of Saturday, November 9, 2024, affected a significant part of the command headquarters that destroyed official files, computers, furniture, and other valuables of the command. Eriti Christopher for CRBC News.